morning guys! Welcome to my video. My name is Mitz Gonzaga from BTL and HA1A. So for today's video guys, ipapaliwanag ko kung ano yung naintindihan ko sa topic na week 2, which is ICT hardware components. So ICT hardware components refers to the physical device used in information and communication technology system. These components are categorized into input, output, process, and storage device, each playing a crucial role in data handling and computing. So, input device, keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, allow users to entertain data into a system. Somewhat touchscreens also function as output device. So next, output device. Monitors, printers, speaker, projectors display a project to see data from user interaction. Katatlo, processing device. CPU, GPU, motherboard, execute instruction and manage system operation with advancement, improving speed and efficiency. Lastly, storage device. HDD, SSD, USB device, memory cards, store digital data with modern innovation like cloud storage, enhancing accessibility and security. Additionally, guys, hardware interconnectivity through USB, HDMI, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi ensures seamless connection between devices, supporting efficient ICT functionally. So, ano nga ba ang what is computer hardware and why it is important? Bakit ito mahalaga? So, mahalaga ito because computer hardware refers to the physical component of a computer system including input, output, processing, and storage devices. It is essential for running software, processing data, and enabling user interaction. So, the importance of computer hardware, guys, is enhances speed, efficiency, and multitasking. Second, stores and process data effectively. Third, facilitates user interaction through input-output devices. 3, enables connectivity and communications. 4, drives technology advancements in various fields. So,